I am back with another hair tutorial, but this time a little bit different. I feel like I'm so used to showing you guys really creative look, like themed looks or updos, but at the end of the day, the sleek, straight, long hair is my absolute signature look. So I thought we could strip it back and do a step-by-step tutorial on how I create my signature hair. So I start by sectioning my hair. I'm using the Cliphair extension. These are their seamless extensions in the shade Iced Cappuccino. I backcomb my hair after sectioning and then start with the 3-piece extensions from the nape of my neck working up, and then gradually add the wider extensions as I go up my head, as you guys can see. It's so quick and easy to apply. I live by Cliphair. I swear by Cliphair. I wear Cliphair. I've been wearing Cliphair since honestly like the end of 2023, and that is no exaggeration. It's just such a perfect color match and it's such a seamless blend. Then I go onto the sides of my hair. As you can see, I also do have their permanent extensions in as well. Once again, back combing and then applying the smaller section. So there's a 2-piece for both sides, and then as you get to the very top of your hair, you apply the single piece just to make that front blend seamlessly, so there's no short bits hanging out. And this also really helps to create that long, seamless, sleek look. I then go in using the Cliphair heat protectant spray all over my hair. This is another daily product I use. It also smells gorgeous. It's like peaches. Then straighten that over. Once I've gone over my hair a few times with the straightener, this is the final result. This is just my favorite hair look. Like, it's a classic, timeless, sleek, straight hair which you can style day and night, and honestly it's my favorite.